G'day guys, Matt here from the Bailey's Diesel Group. Today we wanted to talk about the AW42B suction control valve. So that's a Nissan part number that we use, but it does also fit across a couple of others. We use the Nissan part number because the kit comes most complete and at the fairest price. So in the kit you're going to see a replacement O-ring, your two new bolts and a suction control valve. Nissans in particular, but also Mitsubishis do become a little susceptible to rail pressure fluctuations, and over time the control piston in the suction control valve can become stuck, so it doesn't react as fast as it needs to, and therefore you get rail pressure fluctuations. Usually that results in a little noisier engine running, a few rattles and whatnot, and also sometimes it can cause stalling at lights in automatics and stuff like that. So definitely worth considering. Anything around the 80 to 120,000 kilometers is a decent service life for a suction control valve. Of course, if you've got access to a scan tool, you want to be watching those rail pressure fluctuations. Anything over that sort of 500 to 600 psi limit is sort of where you want to be to change these things. You'll definitely notice an engine change there if you've got over that sort of 600 psi fluctuations minimum to maximum at idle, just watching it. So anyway, hope you guys found that useful. We've got some pretty cool specials on for the next week, and hopefully you guys get in there and get it done. All the very best. Have a great day.